In this video, I will show you how to upload custom fonts to Canva in 2 easy ways. Before we dive in, it's important to know that uploading custom fonts requires a Canva Pro subscription. This feature isn't available on the free plan. To upgrade, simply click on your profile, go to Plans and Pricing, and choose the Pro plan. Once you've upgraded, the first way to upload custom fonts is by using the Brand Hub. On the left side of your Canva dashboard, you'll find the Brand Hub. Click on it, scroll down to the Font section, and select Add New. From there, you can upload your font file directly from your computer. The second way is even simpler. Open any design in Canva and click on a text box to bring up the font menu at the top. Scroll down within the font options until you see Upload a font. Click on it, choose the font file from your computer, and it will be added to your account. And that's it. These are the 2 easiest ways to upload custom fonts to Canva. If you found this video helpful, give it a like. For more tech videos like this, subscribe. Catch you later.